See these ugly hyperlinks? Watch me transform them to match my document perfectly using two simple methods. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do the same. First, let me show you the most comprehensive approach. Select your hyperlink text by clicking and dragging over it. Once selected, right-click to open the context menu and choose font from the options. This opens the font dialog box where you have complete control. Now look for font color in the drop-down. From here, you've got complete freedom to choose whatever color works for your document. Let's say we choose green for this example. Click OK to apply. As you can see, the hyperlink has now changed to the color we selected. Here's the best part, you're not limited to just the color. You can also customize how the underline looks. Go back to the font dialog again. This time, locate the underline style drop-down. You'll see various options like single, double, dashed, or dotted lines. Just choose whichever best matches your document style. For now, let's try the dashed underline. Right next to the underline style, you'll find the underline color option. You've got lots of choices here. So, you can make this different from your text color. For this example, red works great to make it pop. If the preview looks good, go ahead and click OK. As you can see, we now have a red dashed underline on this hyperlink. Now let me show you a quicker method for basic adjustments. Select your hyperlink text again. Now look up at the Home tab in the ribbon. Click the font color button. It's aimed with a colored bar underneath. Choose your preferred color directly from the drop-down. For the underline, click the Underline button's drop-down arrow, its U icon. Select your desired underline style from the list. This method is quicker but gives you slightly fewer customization options than the font dialog. Now you know two efficient ways to customize hyperlink colors in Word. See you in the next video.